Hello friends, in our previous project we have designed this logo, right? And now in this lecture we will create another logo using this shape only. Now let's rotate it like this. Again, let's go to Effect, Distort and Transform. Transform. Our key point will be the bottom point. Let's create, say, 5 copies. Check the preview option, and here just change the angle. Well, I am thinking to make say, yeah, 5 copies is kind of fine only. Well, let's increase the angle much more. Yup, just like this. See, this is another kind of logo, right? Now go to Object, Expand Appearance, and I'm thinking to bring it here only. And now we will provide different colors to these one by one. This is red, that's fine. Let's make it something else, say blue. No, beside red, I guess green will look nice. What do you think? Yellow, then green, then blue. Oops, green, then blue, then something else, say like this, and this one, let's make it something else. Yup, okay, and now let's take a look. I think we could have created a very nice shape if we have very less width of each of these objects, right? So let's undo. Let me come here. Let's see how we can improve this. Yes friend, whenever you are designing a logo, don't just stop there. Try to find that if you can design a better logo than that. I mean a better design using that shape only. I know that this is not a logo design class, but still. Yup, now I think this one will create really amazing shape. Yup, okay. And let's come and select this anchor point tool and let's make it an anchor point. Well, it was only, right? Let me work with this handle a little bit. Whoops. Yup, just like this. It's really very thin at this point now. And also let's move this anchor point here a little bit. And we are just moving the anchor point using the right arrow key. Yeah. Okay guys, now let's go to Effect, Distort and Transform. Again Transform. And our key point will be this point. Check the preview option. Let's make 5 copies. And now play around with the angle. Yup, there you go. Okay, so you got the idea, right? So, yup. Now you can move it here. And now you can change the color of these. So yeah, So yes friend, using this transform technique you can create really cool logos. As I think in this section only we have created 3 logos, right? Yeah, one when I was trying to make you understand that transform effect in that lecture, I guess I we have created one logo, isn't it? And here we have created 2 logos. So that's it guys. Now just expand appearance, and what you need to do, you can change these colors one by one. I mean it's not mandatory, it's just you can play around with it, that's it. Okay guys, so that's it. This is another logo. Let's write here something. Let me select this object and increase its size. Just like this. Okay. Let's move it here. This one, let's write here, say logo 1. Make its fill color white. Yup, so it's logo 1. This one is logo 2. That's it. See how simple it is, right? So that's it guys. Here we have designed 2 logos. I mean one in the previous lecture and the second one here only. So now I think that your concept is becoming clear, right? That how we can design really interesting shapes, as we have seen in our previous project where we have designed these 2 shapes. And now quickly just have a revision what we did in your brain. Just try to think. Effect, first transform, second pucker and bloat, and the third one zigzag, right? Okay, so that's it guys. Now all these resource files you will be getting in the resource section, so don't worry, be happy. So here I'm concluding this project. See you in the next project. Till then, have fun, take care.